How to permanently delete files from your computer. In order to securely wipe the deleted files, what you have to do is simply first of all search for the command. Click on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Or you can also press the Windows key and S key. Type in CMD. Click on the option Run as Administrator. Click on the option Yes. Once you do that, in order to overwrite the free space on your main drive, what you have to do is enter this command CIPHER space /W colon. Now enter the drive name over here. I'm just going to wipe out the deleted files from the D folder. So simply press D. You can also press C or any other drive name if you want. Once you do that, give the colon again. Now press enter. Now you can see over here the process has been started. It will perform the 3 passes. You can see over here, first of all, it has wrote 0. It will eventually write once and it will start writing random numbers. After the process is completed, all the files will be wiped out from that particular drive. Like this, you'll be able to permanently delete files from your computer. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.